They are giving us the story when we were gathering under in a fire at night. They say that they have come from Ethiopia up to Karamoja. From Karamoja, there we separated. Those who came to Iteso, the Karamojongs were calling them Iteso, because in our language is called ates. Those are coffins. That's how they were calling those people Iteso, because they know that those people who are going ahead will die. That's why they were calling them Iteso. So they proceed up to here. Others gathered here. Others to Tororo, to other sides of Uganda. Others went beyond up to Kenya. So I'm proud of being an Etesot. The culture we have, the environment is quite good you compare to other areas. Although there is sunshine sometimes, but this is the very place where if I go to Jinja, there are other places. It is I don't stay there comfortably because the environment. Yeah, it is cold from there, but here is the sunshine is okay. That's why I'm proud. The color, the language I speak, the cultural dance we have, I'm proud of. The food we eat is I can't, because other things are not there. Yes, I dance.